The thing that we've been working on are obviously the decathlon snorkel mask with 3D adapters. Cobalt design and their manufacturer GoProto have really now finalised their design and manufacturing. They're very high quality plastics that they're using. They're medical grade, can be cleaned and sterilised as I understand it. We've now started sending them out to clinicians to run trials on. Down at Monash Health, they're using them to trial as a patient isolating device to help in between transfers of patients to the wards. Western Health are getting some, and we've sent some to Eastern Health as well as to Epworth Emergency Department as well for those clinicians there. Recently spoke to a leading clinician at Northern Health, and there's also a retrieval specialist at Royal Children's Hospital, and they're going to get some to run in their simulation centres as well. So that's regarding the snorkel decathlon masks and their 3D adapters to make them P2 and P3 level respirators.